Welcome back everybody. Here, as you know, that we're just talking about the different operators of PHP. So now I'm just teaching you some more things here. The increment and decrement operator. First of all, how to use them. Create a dollar sign. What the dollar sign can do, as you know, that we can create different variables by the dollar sign. In here I'm just putting an is equals to, and here I'm just putting a value. Okay, now this is another variable which is actually variable 2 here, and I'm just putting another value. I'm just choosing 5 as the word 2 value. So now what I'm actually doing here, if I just press echo and if I just type var1 and if I just go to the browser and just dial up that localhost slash, there are some of my projects, obviously I don't need to go to them here, PHP, and just press enter. So the thing is that I'm just getting 4. Perfect. Now what if I just do some more things? I am just using the increment sign, the 2 plus signs. Okay, really simple. Now let's just go to the browser to get some changes. Refresh it. Now I'm getting nothing. What the hell is this? I'm not getting anything. It means, so the thing is that I'm just going back to the notepad, and here this is the method. But what I'm just going to do is actually removing the plus signs and just pasting that sign here before the variable. Really simple and really easy. Now after the echo, I just used plus sign. It means actually this is the increment operator, okay, and this is the variable 1. Now I'm just going to the browser back and just refreshing it. I'm getting 5. It means the variable, which is var2, is incrementing now. That means it is perfect. Okay, great. But the thing is that why actually when I just added the increment sign after the variable, why it didn't work, and obviously it won't work again. It is 4. What is the problem? The simple problem is, as you know, that PHP starts from top. So first echo, the PHP get the command of echo, and the echo get the var1, and obviously at this time when the echo was reading the var1, it didn't get the plus sign. It means the PHP doesn't know about the plus sign at that moment, and then PHP got the plus sign, but obviously the var1 was parented, so we can't do anything, and actually the server can't do anything. That is why the var1 has printed without the plus sign. And if I just paste this before the variable, so not 3, okay, just 2 by the way. So what happened? Echo reads the plus sign first, then the PHP understands what it has to be do. Right now it just reads var1, and then everything is fine, just because this value adds with this var1, and we get the result. So this is the way to work in PHP with the increment or decrement operators as well. The basic logic and concept of the plus sign is actually it can increment any variable, any integer or whole number values up to, or decimal values as well, up to 1 more. Actually it is actually 1, okay, and actually by adding 2 plus sign, we're just telling that add 1 with any value, for example var1. So in this way we're getting the result. But as I said before, that this method is right as well, but we're not getting the result. So how this method is right, I have to prove it. Obviously I will prove by the way. Now I'm just calling the echo again, the var1. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to the browser and refreshing it. Now it is 5. What is the meaning? Obviously when I just echoed that variable here with the two plus signs, it just got that. Now the PHP understood that var1 has an increment sign. Then when we just again call the var1, I got the perfect thing. Actually you can say that if we just print the echo multiple times, so if I just use the plus sign after the variable, then we can get the increment sign, but not on the main variable which actually has the sign. perfectly. Now what if I just copy this and paste it here? Okay, just save it and go to the browser and refresh it. Now this is 4 and that is 6. Why that is 6? Just because the first increment sign means add 1. The second increment sign means add 1 again with this value. So in this way, we got the thing actually perfectly. Now duplicate it, refresh it, and now we're getting 4, 6, 7. If I just remove this and if I just paste it here, and if I just remove this and paste it here, then let's just go to the browser. 4, 5, 6. Now with the increment sign, we're just incrementing the values again and again. I hope you understood about the logic of the increment sign. What happen if you just use the decrement sign? So first of all, I'm just echoing a simple BR tag. I'm not concatenating. This is not really needed just because I'm just doing that in this way. So the var2, let's just go to the browser and check it what happened. Refresh it now. This is 5. Obviously, as you know that this is var2. Okay, this is the value of 5. So here I'm just using the decrement sign, the minus minus, the subtract sign. Refresh it now. This is obviously 5. Why? Again, the same thing, that var2, we just added the decrement sign after the var2. That's why this happened. But when I just called the var1, var2 again, now just go to the browser and check it what it will happening. This is 4, 5, and that is 4 perfectly. We got a thing which I just want. What if I just duplicate it and go to the browser and refresh it again? 5, 4, and 4. But if I just use this minus minus sign here, then go to the browser and refresh it now, I'm just getting 5, 4, and 3. That means we just got our target. The increment and decrement are only two signs, or actually two operators which can do these type of processes, means less or plus the 1 with any value. So I hope you understood. But the thing is that we will learn about loops in some next classes, and you will find that plus plus sign or minus minus sign, actually the increment operator and decrement operator is very important when we just talk about the loops, especially the for loops and while and do while, whatever. So guys, let me leave. We'll meet next class. Goodbye, stay tuned.